Today I'm going to show you how to do a watercolor portrait painting of this beautiful little girl. Before I start this, I'm going to show you how to do a drawing study. This 80 sheets drawing pad is very heavyweight. For the detail of the materials, you can look at my video descriptions. There should be a link, also include the coupon code. First, I'm going to use this 1B graphite pencil to do a little rough light drawing. Let's first take a look at the big proportion. We're going to measure the height compared to the width of the face. So make sure we get this correctly before we move too fast. I'm going to use the stick. Can measure on top of the iPad. On the top over here, there's a little hair. I'm going to ignore it. So I'm going to start over here. So this is the height of the face. I'm going to move it on over here. This is the width of the face. Right now, you can see this is the height and this is the width. The width of the face is a little bit more than half of the whole face. I'm going to set it at the top over here. It would be here. So because I'm not using the 1-to-1 ratio, so you can't just take this and put it here, take this and put it here. It doesn't work that way, right? So we have to go with the ratio relationship between the height and the width. And now let's take a look. I'm going to take this part. Say I'm going to set the height of the face over here. I'm not going to change it. In that case, based on this, half is here. A little bit more than half, it will be here, right? So I'm going to take this part, that will be the width of the face. Now, I need to move a little bit more to the left over here. So this is the left side, and this will be the right side, right? It's very easy. More you do it, it will become more as a second nature. So this is the width of the face. You got to measure. And the bottom of the face look like this. Take your time. Enjoy the process. Okay. Like that. So this is the face. Right over here, the center of the face. A little bit off to the left hand side. Like this. Like that. Not exactly in the middle. A little bit off to the left. So this is the center line. Would help you. Okay, so the top would probably move a little bit more toward the left hand side. Like this. Right? Also, let's take a look. From the top over here to the chin, how can we divide that? Oh, interesting. Let's take a look. The middle part of the height is about here. So that means on this side, the eyebrows is only a little bit lower than the middle point. So we're gonna measure this, find out that probably the midpoint. I'm gonna double measure. Oh, should be here. At the middle over here. So I'm gonna take this as the middle point. Yeah, now this is right. So the midpoint is right over here. So the eyebrows just a little bit lower. And I can draw the angle. Notice the angle is not really horizontal, right? It's lower a little bit, like that, tilted coming down this way. So this is the eyebrows. Eyebrows, and the eye is right under. This is the eye, right? And this is will be the eye. Spot the location. So roughly mark it. And the nose look like it's a little bit higher than half from the eyebrows to the chin. So the nose is about here, a little bit higher, like that, right? That's good. Now the mouth looks like vertically is sitting a little bit higher than the middle point, right over here. So do the drawing study would really help to get you familiar with the subject matter before you start the painting. Okay, now take a look at the width of the eyes over here. It looks like this leave on this side a little bit more than one eye space. So that means move a little bit more toward the left hand side. So make sure you have enough space on this side, like that. And here, there's about the location of the eye, like that. Right, so the iris, the eye sitting in this location. And we're going to do a little cross measuring, so making sure we're doing the right thing before we finish this step. Okay, like that. And looks like the nose in that case would move a little bit in here, so you can use the line checking with the side of the nose to the eye, the corner of the eye, almost like a direct vertical. So again, directly vertical coming down. So this the side of the nose, and on this side the nose kind of small, so it's sitting in here. Right. So take a look. The mouth can be a little bit, the corner of the mouth a little bit higher. So this is like the shape of the leaf, like that. Don't hold your pencil too tight, and just relax and let the whole body, your whole mind relax. Okay, so it looks like I can actually move a little bit, change that a little bit, move this a little bit higher, not too much, like that. It's still good. Take a look, and the eye can move a little bit more toward the left hand side. Okay, like that.